Voila! Welcome to the review of the V2 Pro AI Dashcam, a cutting-edge 3-channel system that offers 1080p recording for your front, cabin, and rear views. This advanced dashcam comes equipped with a mobile app for seamless integration and enhanced functionality. Stay tuned as we delve into its features and benefits. The V2 Pro AI Dashcam is designed to provide you with unparalleled safety features, with front collision warning, pedestrian alert, lane departure warning, and clear-to-go alert. You can drive with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable companion on the road. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new driver, the V2 Pro AI Dashcam is a must-have accessory for your vehicle. Its night vision camera ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions, giving you peace of mind during your nighttime drives. In addition to its advanced safety features, the V2 Pro AI Dashcam offers a user-friendly experience with its mobile app integration. Stay connected and in control of your dashcam settings with just a few taps on your smartphone. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your driving experience with the V2 Pro AI Dashcam. Stay tuned for more insights and details on how this innovative device can revolutionize the way you drive. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!